Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this robot, and in the next video I'll be showing you how to make this robot. Alrighty. So these are all the pieces that you will need for the robot. Now let me show you how to make it. Take this piece, you put it on like this. Then you take the second one and you put it on like a vase. Oh god. Ugh, this is pretty hard. So it looks like this now. Then you take this piece and you put it on like this. At a slight angle. See? Then you take this piece and you put it on like this. Then you take this piece and you put it on like this. Then you take this piece and you put it on like this. Then you take this flower piece and you put it on like this. Oh god. Down. Alright. So now it looks like this. Then you take two of these pieces and you put them on like this. And then you take the other two and you put them on the legs. And then you take this piece and you put it on like at a slight angle. Now here comes the armor. So you take your dark blue piece and you put it on top. Then you take your light blue piece and you put it right underneath. Then you take your yellow. Then you put the yellow pieces on the arm. Then you put the laser on, which is the orange piece. And then you put the red pieces on, and that's how to make this. And he can actually stand up because this is at a slight angle. Okay, let me fix the angle. Alright, so this is how he looks standing up. And here's his little brother. He kind of looks weird. He's supposed to be a weirdo.